Hi everyone, welcome back to Frugal Watchbox channel. Today, instead of an unboxing, we'll be comparing two of Casio's affordable sports watches under $50, both offering 100 meters of water resistance. The Casio WS-1600H 8AV, a newer model launched in 2023, and the well-established Casio AE-1300WH, a veteran in this range. I have here the AE-1300WH, which I bought in 2017. As you can see, there's visible wear and tear on the crystal, bezel, case, and case back. Back then, this watch cost me around $19, but today it's priced between $20 and $25, depending on where you buy it. I haven't changed the battery yet, but I did replace the band in 2023 after 7 years, which shows how durable this watch is. Next, we have the WS-1600H, a watch I purchased a couple of months ago, and it's still in pristine condition. This model cost me around $20. What caught my eye with this watch is its futuristic dial design, especially the turquoise-colored upper display panel. Let's start by looking at the specs of the AE-1300WH. The case size is approximately 42.1 millimeters, with a lug-to-lug distance of around 45 millimeters. It has a thickness of 12.5 millimeters, a lug width of 18 millimeters, and weighs about 40 grams. The case, bezel, and glass are made from tough resin. On the right side, there are two buttons for the light and start functions, and on the left side, two buttons for adjust and mode. The black bezel contrasts nicely with the predominantly blue case. The gold illuminator imprint on the top of the case has faded due to wear, as has the 10-year battery imprint at the bottom. On the glass, you'll find the Casio logo and WR100M imprints at the top, with alarm and chronograph at the bottom. The three circular subdials at the top of the display include a larger center dial, likely for the countdown timer gauges. Below them, two small silver dots flank the countdown timer imprint. The upper display panel shows the day, alarm, and time signal indicators, followed by the month and date, with large digits for the hour, minute, and second. The strap I'm using is a high-quality aftermarket replacement I sourced online 2 years ago. While it's comparable to the original Casio band, it doesn't feature the Casio logo on the buckle. The stainless steel case back displays the Casio logo, module number, model number, and water resistance rating. Now, moving on to the WS-1600H, a newer model that shares similar dimensions with the AE-1300WH. The case size, lug-to-lug distance, thickness, and lug width are the same as the AE-1300WH. It weighs 39 grams, just 1 gram lighter than the AE-1300WH. Like the AE-1300WH, the WS-1600HS case, bezel, and glass are made from resin. It also has two buttons on the right for the light and start functions, and two on the left for adjust and mode, with identical button functions. The Casio logo and WR100M imprints are positioned similarly on the glass. The standout feature of this watch is the turquoise panel, which includes a gauge numbered from 2 to 10, with a shorter gauge number 10 to 50 below it. There's also a small square with a white border representing an analog clock. Below that, you'll find the turquoise countdown timer imprint, with the seconds indicator to the left. The main display panel features small indicators for the alarm and hourly time signal, followed by the day, month, and date with large digits for the time. At the bottom of the glass, you'll see alarm WR chrono imprints. The top and bottom of the case are marked with illuminator and 10-year battery. The strap is Casio's standard resin band, which is durable and long-lasting, with a single retainer that's typical for affordable Casio digital watches. The black resin buckle has the Casio logo, and the stainless steel caseback features the Casio logo, module number 3556, model number, water resistance rating, and other details. Now, let's compare the two modules, starting with the AE-1300WH, which uses module 3426. This watch offers a 10-year battery life, 100 meters of water resistance, and world time covering 29 time zones and 48 cities. It includes a stopwatch, up to 9 timers, and a daily alarm with an hourly time signal. The amber LED backlight comes with an afterglow feature. The watch has a full auto calendar that runs until the year 2099, a mute feature, and maintains accuracy within plus or minus 30 seconds per month. It supports both 12 24-hour formats and regular timekeeping, which shows the hour, minute, second, PM, month, date, and day. In comparison, the WS-1600H uses module 3556, which also has a 10-year battery life and 100 meters of water resistance. It offers the same world time feature with 29 time zones and 48 cities, as well as a stopwatch and up to 9 preset timers. The timers in this model are more advanced than those of the AE-1300WH. This watch also features a daily alarm with an hourly time signal and comes with an amber double LED light. Like the AE-1300WH, it has a full auto calendar until the year 2099, a mute function, and an accuracy of plus or minus 30 seconds per month. It also supports 12 24-hour formats and regular timekeeping for hour, minute, second, PM, month, date, and day. Now let's compare the timer functions in more detail. The AE-1300WH, with module 3426, supports up to 9 independent countdown timers. You can set each timer for different durations, and they are displayed on both the main screen and subdials. While the functionality is basic, it's effective for straightforward countdown tasks. On the other hand, the WS-1600H, using module 3556, has a more advanced timer function. It also supports up to 9 timers, but they offer more flexibility and customization, making them ideal for sports activities or complex intervals. The turquoise panel on the display makes tracking time visually engaging and more intuitive than on the AE-1300WH. The main differences between these two watches lie in the different gauges and the arrangement of the alarm and time signal indicators. Otherwise, the case shape and construction are nearly identical. Both watches sit similarly on my 6.5-inch wrist due to their comparable size. The amber LED lights are also similar in terms of brightness and clarity, fully illuminating all parts of the display. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this comparison, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.